Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Edge 840. To begin, power on your new device and complete the initial setup, including language and profile. Next, download the Garmin Connect app to your smartphone and easily pair your device for seamless data syncing and smart notifications. Finally, personalize your data screens to show exactly what you need, like current speed, total distance, or heart rate, ensuring a tailored riding experience from the start. Navigating with your Edge 840 is incredibly intuitive. You can easily create new routes or import existing ones from platforms like Strava directly into Garmin Connect. Once on your ride, the device provides clear, turn-by-turn directions, both visually on the crisp display and through audible alerts. Don't forget to leverage the innovative ClimbPro feature, which breaks down upcoming ascents, helping you pace yourself perfectly over every hill. The Edge 840 is a powerful tool for tracking and improving your cycling performance. It monitors essential metrics like power output, cadence, and even estimates your VO2 max. You'll also find advanced training features, including daily suggested workouts tailored to your fitness level and recovery time recommendations. For even more detailed insights, effortlessly connect external sensors such as power meters or speed sensors, providing a complete picture of your ride data. Beyond tracking your rides, the Edge 840 keeps you connected and safe. Receive smart notifications for incoming calls and text messages right on your screen so you never miss an update. For peace of mind, activate Live Track to share your real-time location with loved ones. Plus, the device includes incident detection and assistance features, which can automatically send your location to emergency contacts if an incident occurs, enhancing your safety on every journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.